Welcome to Tech Vibes. Today I am sharing Samsung TV remote hidden shortcuts that actually work in real life. These shortcuts are tested by technicians, users, and verified across forums, Reddit, and service manuals. If your Samsung TV is slow, laggy, or acting strange, do not replace any part yet. Most users do not know these hidden remote shortcuts fix 80% common problems. Watch carefully before you waste money. Now listen carefully and follow exactly like a technician. First shortcut, quick restart shortcut. Press and hold the power button on the Samsung remote for 5 to 7 seconds. Do not just tap it. The TV will turn off and turn on automatically. This clears temporary memory, closes background apps, and fixes freezing issues. This works on Tizen operating system TVs from 2017 and newer. Second shortcut, instant source refresh. Press the source button, then immediately press the number 1 button. This forces the TV to rescan the HDMI handshake. It fixes no signal, flickering screen, and sound without picture problems. Technicians use this before changing HDMI cables. Third shortcut, hidden self-diagnosis menu. Press Home, then go to Settings, then Support, then Device Care. Now select Self-Diagnosis and choose Start Device Care. This shortcut checks memory, storage, and background errors automatically. Many users skip this, but it fixes slow response and random restarts. Fourth shortcut, Picture Reset without full reset. Press Home, go to Settings, then Picture. Hold the Enter button on Picture mode for 5 seconds. The picture settings reset only without deleting apps or Wi-Fi settings. This is useful after wrong HDR or color changes. Fifth shortcut, Service Info Quick Access, mute 182 power. Use this only when the TV is in standby mode. This opens the service information screen, not full service menu. You can check panel type, uptime hours, and firmware version safely. Never change any value here. Sixth shortcut, App Cache Soft Clear. Open any app, then press and hold the back button for 3 seconds. The app closes completely instead of running in background. This improves performance and reduces lag on older Samsung TVs. Seventh shortcut, Audio Sync Reset. Press mute 3 times quickly. Mute, mute, mute. This resets audio output timing and fixes lip sync delay. Important warning, never randomly enter the full service menu. Wrong changes can permanently damage the panel or main board. These shortcuts are safe, tested, and used daily by technicians. If this video helped you, subscribe to Tech Vibes for real repair knowledge.